Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw a character wearing a baseball cap. This will be the first part of this series, so let's get into it. So as you can see, we already have two characters sketched out, but for this video, we're just going to be focusing on the character from the front, so we could go ahead and turn off this layer. And we will also decrease the opacity of this layer. And now from there we can start working our cap on a separate layer. Alright, so the first order of business, we're going to start with a center line coming down, but we will stop a little before the eyes. Now we could head up top and start working on this arc on the left hand side. And notice how we're giving it some edges as we come down. And we will stop about there. And now for the right, we will do the same thing. And guys, also pay attention to the distance we have above the hair, or I should say above the head, because you know, maybe your drawings don't have hair, but yeah, you want to keep like a slight distance, because you know, the cap pressed tightly against the, his skull. Next, we will go ahead and add these small lines at the end of the cap. And from there, we could start working on the bill or the brim of the cap, so we can come across with this wide curve. Afterwards, we will come down with this little line, and notice how it's in line with the side of the face. And then we will curve down at the bottom, and we will follow the same wide curve we made. And then we just clean up here. And we'll continue on and do the same thing that we do to the left on the right here at the end. Alright, nice. And we'll also go in and clean up the right side of the cap on top here a little bit. We'll just fix it up a bit. Next, we'll add in the little circle you'll see on top of most caps. I'll be honest, I don't know what you actually call it, but please let us know down in the comment section. And then we'll add in these lines here on top of the cap for some details. And afterwards, we'll just be doing a little bit of cleaning up, fine tuning the actual cap itself. Making sure everything look right. And speaking of look right, we just go and fix up the ends right here and make them straight. Alright, awesome. And right here in the center of the cap, we just go and add in this rectangle for a little added detail. But you guys know how to add this. And lastly, we will go ahead and erase the hair from underneath, so you guys could see the cap a lot better. And there you have it, guys, the final sketch. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.